Hi, in this video you will learn how to send an SMS at a particular time every day. We did already write this code in the previous video, so you have to watch the previous video in order to understand this one. So in this section we have a while loop down here, which periodically executes this code every 60 seconds. Now what we're going to do is we are going to register to record the current time with dt.now. What is dt? Well, that is a class from the datetime library. So from datetime import datetime as dt. So dt is that one. And now is a method that gives us the current date and time, which looks like this. Let me try it quickly here in the interactive shell. And now will be the current date time. Then once we have the current date time, we can check. For example, if the clock at this moment is 13:18, so 1 p.m. 18 minutes, then we're going to execute this code. So we create the message and send it out. And also this should be indented under the if conditional and the time.sleep method as well. But time.sleep should stay here. So what's happening here is that we get the current date time, we check if that current date time is this, so the time when we want to send out the SMS, and if it is, then we send out the SMS. We print out this message that the SMS was sent out, and then what we do is we wait 60 seconds. And then we execute the if conditional one more time. So basically after every minute we check the time. We check if the current date time reaches our timestamp of interest. And the loop goes on. So that's the complete code. I thank you for following and let's see you in the next video.